When I was starting out and I was working quite a hard job. I was training 3 times a week. But even as a professional, I was doing 2 days on in the gym and 1 day off. So training everything once every 6 days. I'd split the body into 4 different workouts, which was chest and biceps. It was a leg day, which I used to do hamstrings, quads and calves all together for the leg day. Back day, I'll just do back. And a day with delts and triceps. So it was 4 different workouts. I do 2 days on in the gym, 1 day off, 2 days in the gym, 1 day off. But within that, also, I built in a little flexibility. So sometimes I'll be just feeling like I needed an extra day's rest. And if I felt like that, I'd definitely take it. Usually it would be after leg days.